Hey there. Do you sell like Brian Tracy, but track your money like Enron? I've got a little story you might want to hear. Hi, welcome back. Georgette Rowland here of the Financial Gym, the only place where someone else does the working out for you. Now, this is a real story, and let's think of a name. I'm gonna use Kevin. Kevin been speaking to me for quite a while about getting their finances in order, business is doing all right, making money and so forth. And I've got to give this guy his due. He can sell. And what he can't sell, he can figure out how someone else can sell for him, or just how things make money. It's a gift. But Kevin is on to his third business. The first two went up in smoke because he ended up owing so much money for things he needed to run his business and get things moving, because he kept getting these big deals, that he ended up owing more than he was making, or was so far behind with what he owed, people got impatient. Now, the good thing with this guy, and what I liked about him, was how he had an integrity about making sure people got paid. So what happened with the second business is that he was still paying out for the first one to people who he owed money to. Now, from a philanthropy point of view, that's wonderful. From a mercenary making profit and keeping your business afloat point of view, or should I say keeping your balance sheet healthy, don't get too hung up on that, basically what your business is worth, not the greatest thing. So we had to close business number 2. He'd done this by the time he came back to me, and he said, George, I can't keep doing this. How do I need to get things set up and structured? I'm not loving my accountant anymore either. They cost me a fortune, and I don't do things, and by the time I get the paperwork to them, it's such a mess, and they charge me a fortune, but I don't have the time to do it. And I'm going to use a phrase. One of my other clients, when they came to me, used a phrase, and she'll know who she is if she's watching. And I remember she said, I've tried. I've looked at it this way, I've looked at it that way. I've come from this angle, and I've gone, and I'm just not gonna do it, George. I don't want to. I just want to make money and sell. And Kevin, completely in the same boat. Anyway, we've gotten him all sorted. We've got him a great accountant. His stuff is being done. We've got him online. We've structured stuff in such a way that he can take money regularly and ticking over. And then I get this email. Now, bearing in mind, we've just started doing stuff that's current. What I suggested that he did was all the old legacy stuff. Rather than paying lots and lots of money to go back and do it as step-by-step bookkeeping, let's just get the accountant to work it through. So it's going to cost him, don't get me wrong, but it will just get done, because there are ways and techniques that we use to just get you up to date. But it's going to not be tomorrow. I get this email anyway, basically saying, I've got this deal, this joint venture come up, and this person is in real estate, or property as the UK say, or real estate as the US, and this deal came up for them to partner with another broker for lots and lots and lots of clients, to be able to service them, find them places around the country, and look after their needs. But sort of a relocation type service, I guess you could call it. Problem: Kevin has no accounts. And this joint venture partner is not a little player. They're proper, but they've got no accounts. They're going to go into business or partner up with this person, and they know nothing about them other than what? Now, left to Kevin being able to sell to them and present to them, which is how this deal came about, because he is hot on that. But nothing to back it up. All talk as far as they're concerned, until the paperwork shows through. So Kevin's come to me, and I said, well, Kevin, you got nothing. You're going to have to wait. Stall and do something. Now, as it's turned out, we have managed to get something together pretty quick that he can use. But the reality is, he came that close to losing that deal. Because as much as he can make money, is running the business like a cowboy. And this company was very clear. We do not do business with cowboys. So just a little real people story there for you. If any of this resonates with you and you can recognize yourself, don't let it continue for much longer, because being able to sell and make money is just the beginning of the story. Don't lose the game because you're not playing properly. If you found this useful, then please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, you don't have to be a financial expert to be the financial leader in your business. And if you want to hop over to my site to find out more information, go to www.financialgymforbusiness and sign up for access to my gifts, tips and updates. In the meantime, fess up or mess up, this is Georgette Rowland saying, have a wonderful week.